Well, this is my first one that I've been to. And I've come here on my own, not knowing anybody, but I don't think you need to know anyone. I think you can come and have a real sense of connection and belonging, and just a lot of love and kindness and generosity of spirit in the room. Like this morning when she came in and hugged everyone, I initially thought she was just hugging people she knew, but she hugged everyone and welcomed everyone and really made this beautiful eye contact, and just yeah, the warmth of that and the love coming from her and connection was just really beautiful, yeah, and welcoming. Came in wanting some clarity around a project that I've been wanting to do for some time, and I've definitely got that today. So I'm going to go home feeling, I think, quite motivated and inspired, and ready to put some of these things into practice. And yeah, definitely feeling inspired.